On this episode of Bad to Rad, we're going to be installing the newest Watercross of Texas ride plate, which is the 2.0 ride plate. It's a little bit longer. It uses the stock hardware, so it's going to be a really easy install, and we are replacing the Pro Watercraft Racing ride plate that we installed in episode 1 of Bad to Rad. So it's going to be super easy. We'll do the install and then we'll do a ride test. You can see the Watercross, it's a little bit longer. So now that we got the ride plate installed, it's time to go test it. So this one has the Watercross of Texas 2.0 ride plate. It's got the Watercross of Texas original intake grate. It's the double scoop. We've got the Pro Watercraft Racing rear sponsons. So those are the ones that go in the bond rail area. Yeah, as far as handling parts, that's pretty much it. It's got the stock impeller, stock pump obviously. And then of course the jet trim and the tray, 0-degree bars, stuff like that. So let's go test it out. Okay, we are out on the 4-stroke Superjet, and we are going to be testing the Watercross of Texas ride plate. So this is the 2.0 ride plate. So this is a double concave style plate. It is made out of aluminum. So the Pro Watercraft Racing ride plate is plastic. We're gonna see. So let me see if I can warm up here and not fall off. It's stable, that's for sure. Ah, it's actually easier to jump too. It's got some good pop to it. Ooh, got good grip. Dang. I do have the Pro Watercraft Racing rear sponsons. Those are the ones that go under the bond rail, and they create a little bit of lift in the rear. And I did notice before that they did make it slidey whenever you were not in a good body position. So if you were lazy, they would the rear would tend to lift and slide. But now, it really doesn't seem to want to. I'm sure it will, but the rear hookup seems much better. Rough. Definitely 2 thumbs up for the Watercross of Texas 2.0 ride plate.